Okay, so directly after discussing the topic of the real number systems, now I want to discuss the topics of prime numbers, composite numbers, multiples, and factors. I will first discuss the definition of each of these topics, and then I'll explain exactly what these topics are and how they are going to relate to LCM and HCF. Now you can see it's quite evident that with LCM and HCF, the reason why we have to learn multiples and factors is because it links to the topics of lowest common multiple, the M, and highest common factor, the F. Okay, so that's why it's very important that we understand these topics on their own before we actually start linking them to other topics. With prime and composite numbers, it's a very important topic to understand, because if you can see here, something that I talk about a lot in maths and even in the principles video, I speak about how maths is like an interesting story, everything links. And I put this in a basically like a mini flowchart so that you can see exactly which other sections that prime numbers and composite numbers link to. Okay, and this was a very intelligent discovery because we're going to learn a lot about how this is going to help us to simplify a lot of things in maths, right? Yeah, so let's continue with the topic.